Getting the best cheap Canon camera gives you a fantastic, cost-effective entry point with one of the world's biggest manufacturers. Whether you're a complete beginner or just budget-conscious, we've got you covered. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cheap Canon cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Step into the captivating world of photography with the Canon EOS R10, hailed as the 5th best affordable Canon camera. This mirrorless marvel boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor housed in a compact frame that belies its powerful capabilities. It stands as a testament to affordability without compromising quality. For beginners, the R10 is a gentle guide into the realm of Canon, offering a user-friendly interface that nurtures budding skills. Yet, for the seasoned photographer, it unveils pro-level speed, delivering impressive images with finesse. The camera's brilliance lies in its versatility, a light and affordable option that caters to both novices and experts alike. Picture perfect moments unfold with a 15 FPS continuous shooting capability and full autofocus, making it an ideal all-purpose camera. While its 4K video feature adds another dimension to its prowess, the 1.55x crop factor demands consideration for serious videographers, whether upgrading from an APS-C DSLR or venturing beyond smartphone photography. The Canon EOS R10 beckons, encouraging creativity and ensuring stellar results. Priced at a modest $979, a budget-friendly masterpiece, it redefines the possibilities within the realm of affordable Canon cameras. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III emerges as the 4th best affordable Canon camera, a pocket-sized powerhouse capturing hearts with its remarkable features. A successor to the G7X Mark II, renowned for vlogging prowess, this compact marvel retains the 24 to 100mm lens, stellar autofocus, image stabilization, and the coveted flip-up screen. Elevating the game, the G7X Mark III introduces full 4K video capability and a 3.5mm mic port, a symphony for audio enthusiasts. Beyond the vlogging realm, this camera flaunts versatility. Navigating its compact frame, it mimics traditional controls while delivering a performance akin to a content creator's dream. The lens, adorned with a bright f1.8 to 2.8 aperture, dances gracefully in low light, complemented by the user-friendly 3-inch tilting touchscreen. The absence of a viewfinder proves inconsequential against the convenience of its pocket-friendly dimensions. While not the thriftiest option, the G7X Mark III justifies its price with an unparalleled blend of size and performance. At $749, it brings excellence to your pocket, a compelling choice for those valuing portability without compromising on photographic prowess. Meet the Canon EOS R50, a marvel in Canon's APS-C EOS R system. This camera emerges as the 3rd best among cheap Canon cameras, offering a blend of features and value that transcends its cost. Designed as a mirrorless wonder, the EOS R50 boasts a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon RF mount, providing a significant leap in image quality compared to compacts or camera phones. Its 4K video capability, coupled with the dual-pixel AF system, ensures your subjects remain sharply in focus, even in dynamic frames. While lacking image stabilization, a compromise expected in this price range, the camera compensates with a crisp electronic viewfinder and versatile 3-inch vari-angle screen. The absence of stabilization is mitigated by the exceptional connectivity and overall performance, making it an ideal choice for those entering the EOS R system on a budget. Beyond its technical prowess, the EOS R50 is more than a device. It's an entry ticket into a realm where creativity meets affordability. Priced at an affordable $799. Discover the Canon EOS R250D, A splendid DSLR that dances between the realms of affordability and excellence. This camera emerges as the second best among Canon's budget-friendly options, casting its predecessor aside with a flourish. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and a Canon EF-S mount lens, the Rebel SL3 promises a visual symphony. Its 4K UHD video capabilities at varying frame rates unveil a cinematic playground for budding creatives. The optical pentamirror viewfinder, boasting 95% coverage and 0.87x magnification, invites you into a realm where every shot is a story. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, adorned with 1.04 million dots, adds a modern twist to classic charm. The camera's chunkier yet ergonomic design ensures a secure grip, distinguishing it from its peers. Unlike its electronic counterparts, the optical viewfinder extends battery life, a silent ode to longevity. In a market flooded with cut-rate alternatives, the Rebel SL3 stands tall. While competitors compromise features and build quality, this DSLR remains a beacon of balance. Guided by a user-friendly interface, it accommodates both beginners and veterans, transitioning seamlessly from simplicity to sophistication. Priced at a modest $534. The Canon EOS R100 emerges as the poignant choice for novice photographers, offering an intimate journey into the realm of mirrorless photography. A canvas of learning unfolds through its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, transcending the boundaries of typical entry-level cameras. As you navigate the exposure settings, the non-touch 3-inch screen and viewfinder become your windows to creativity, displaying the impact of each adjustment with vivid clarity. This compact marvel, accompanied by Canon RFS lenses, slips effortlessly into a sling bag, epitomizing portability. Despite its size, the R100 surprises with image quality that belies its novice-friendly facade. Our expert reviewer, swept away by the finesse of its files, discovered a gem in this unassuming camera. For videographers, a rare gift awaits in the form of a microphone jack, promising elevated sound quality when paired with a dedicated mic. Yet, the 4K video, while percent, bears constraints, subject to a 155x crop and lacking the grace of dual-pixel autofocus found in its peers like the Canon EOS RP. Priced at a modest $479, the Canon EOS R100 beckons not only beginners but also seasoned photographers seeking an auxiliary companion. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.